In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HyperX Cloud Stinger Core wireless to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy-to-follow instructions on how to properly connect your HyperX Cloud Stinger Core wireless to a PlayStation 4 console. Doing this is extremely simple, as long as you have the proper version of the Cloud Stinger Core wireless, which is compatible with PlayStation consoles, you will be able to use it natively. So follow the steps in this video and you will be able to determine if your specific model is compatible. If it is not, you will be able to purchase the correct one later. So all that you have to do is unbox it and you will find the USB wireless dongle. You need to use this USB wireless dongle. So plug the wireless dongle into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4 console. Once the wireless dongle is plugged in, all that you have to do is power on the Cloud Stinger Core wireless. If it has sufficient battery, you will see an LED indicator light up, indicating that it is ready to be used, and it will automatically pair itself up with the wireless dongle. If this doesn't happen, or if the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core wireless does not power on, you will need to charge it. So plug it in through the USB-C to USB-A cable into any suitable power source and let it charge for a few minutes or even up to an hour. Once it is sufficiently charged, just repeat the same steps that I described. So using the USB wireless dongle, plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4, power on the headset, and it will automatically pair itself up. It is ready to be used, and if you go over to the audio devices on your PlayStation 4, you will be able to select the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core as both the input and output device, allowing you to listen to all of the audio coming through your PlayStation 4 and also use the microphone to talk in-game and voice chats and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Cloud Stinger Core wireless to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.